Hi YouTube friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my daughter's once a week deep oil hair routine. She is fresh out the shower, and as the previous videos, you can see here how she's out the shower, so she's got her braids. What I briefly do is part her hair, shampoo, condition one side, do a braid. Do the other side of her hair, shampoo, condition, and do a braid. So on her part, here's that wonderful Indian oil I use. I'm going to try my best with one hand. Pour droplets of oil throughout her scalp, beginning from the middle part. Then with my finger, I will rub the oil into her scalp. I do this once a week. And it helps keep her hair moisture and oils in her hair. Bear with me, I only have one hand and the other one's holding the phone. So I drop about, I would say 15 droplets in my hand, like so, rub it together, and then I start also incorporating it into her hair. 15 droplets should last for half of the hair. And then I will do the same to the other side. As you can see, the braided side hasn't been done, and this side here has been done. Now, you can tell here that her hair is still wet and that I have not done the oil treatment on that side. You can still also see the 3 strands that I use to braid her hair. So in this condition, which is only towel dry, I will perform the same thing I did in the other side, which is put a little bit oil in my hand and rub it through her scalp and her hair. So I've already completed both sides, and now what I'm going to be doing is working on a hairstyle. I'm going to do 2 ponytails and then just do little twirls. And I'm sure that many of you know how to do this hairstyle. It's fairly easy. All I'm using is this oil. So I grab one piece, twirl it around. What I did this time is I created a longer or deeper part in the middle, more on her left side, because I noticed that the part in the middle that I've previously done had a little bit of hair sun damage. So I made her part a little bit more to the left, so that hair that usually is exposed to the beautiful vitamin D of the sun gets a little bit of rest. My daughter's hair is gorgeous. She's a biracial baby, mixed Mexican and African American. So she's got black and Mexican hair, and it's beautiful and it's gorgeous. So I've already finished this side. All I have is the wonderful Indian oil. And this is all I'm going to do. Usually, like if I wanted a hairstyle because we were going to go somewhere, or she's at a party where she's going to be doing a lot of dancing, the oil along with the tight hole or a different type of product or a gel I would use. But in this case, no need. The oil will be enough and it'll last the entire day. The next day, I will just do a little bit of a touch-up. Here are her little baby hairs. And with this oil, it helps her hair stay smooth and shiny. I will finish the other side. So here it is. We're done. I did an upper ponytail and a lower ponytail just to give it a little difference from the norm. Her hair is fabulous. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. A lot of people spend millions of dollars a year to have hair curly like my baby girl, and she is very blessed and lucky to have curly hair. Hi baby girl, you're so beautiful. So the only thing I added were the 2 little bows that we got. Do you guys remember we went shopping to Big Lots, and these are the bows that we got for $1.19 for I believe 5 of them. Might be wrong, it might be 4, but I added those, and it matches with her beautiful lancet outfit that we got, which we will also leave in the comments below. So this is the end of her deep oil treatment.
Bye YouTube friends. Thank you for watching.